Forex trading is a pretty popular topic right now, and everybody and their mama is talking about it. So I did what only a successful, logical, smartest black man in the world would do. I went on Fiverr and I paid someone to teach me how to do it. And this is what happened. What it do, hustlers? It's your boy Drell here, coming at you with another video today. And in this video right here, I'm gonna be paying someone on Fiverr to teach me how to Forex trade. Now, I'm a complete beginner when it comes to Forex trading. I haven't even seen a single video on Forex, so I have no idea what to do, how to do it, what anything involving Forex means at all, man. I'm a complete beginner, so this really should be interesting. Like, I'm gonna get a complete look at how to Forex trade. Hopefully,
I hope so.
you know, hopefully the people on Fiverr actually deliver and they could teach me how to actually get started with Forex trading, because I've been seeing it everywhere. I know you have too. I know you've been seeing Forex everywhere as well. And I'm like, yo, maybe it's actually a good opportunity. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. But before we get into that, man, we gotta address the elephant in the room about Forex. We have to address it. And that's the comments on Instagram. Like, yo, people be spamming me with these Forex comments in my Instagram posts. They be like, yo, Sally helped me make $10,000 in 5 days from a $2,000 investment.
You lie! You lie! Lies! Lies! When will the lies end?
Every single post I make on Instagram. So that's why part of me thinks it's a scam, because all of those spam comments on Instagram, I know you've seen them, man. They're so annoying. I get like at least 10 of those comments on every single post. But part of me feels like it might be some potential there. So hey, we're gonna risk it for the biscuit in this video. But before we get into all of that, before we get into the meat and potatoes of the video, you already know you gotta get your greens in. So for the greens, I need you to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. This channel is all about entrepreneurship content, making money online, hustling videos, all of that good stuff. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe. But now that we got that out the way, we're gonna get straight into this video, man. Let's get it. Alright, so I'm on my computer right now. I'm on Fiverr, and I'm gonna just type in how to Forex trade. Now, like I said, I have no idea how to Forex trade or anything about it. I haven't seen a single video on how to Forex trade or anything like that. So this is starting from complete scratch. Now, let me see. So they have 609 services available. So this one is saying I will show you how to trade stocks. This is stocks. We're not talking about stocks in this video. All right, so this one is I will teach you how to make money with Forex trading, and it's only $5. So we're gonna click on this one and see what he's talking about. So he only $5 is 5 days delivery. Why it take you 5 days, my guy? 5 days delivery. Let's see what he's talking about. So he posted up in the library in this picture. Okay, I see. So about the gig, so he's saying Forex involves dealing with international currencies, basically selling the currency of one country to buy that of another. I'm not gonna read the whole thing to y'all. I'll let y'all pause the video yourself and read it if you want to. But down here it says what actually comes with the gig. So it says this gig includes exclusive, no fluff book size special report from me, a rapid skill acquisition expert and best-selling author. So that's what comes with this gig. It just comes with a book. So I feel like I'm gonna go with this one. It's only $5, you know, and I'm gonna order a couple more gigs. Let me just look through the thing. So it's not saying much, but I guess I'm gonna just get like an ebook for this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and purchase this one, and I'm gonna hit you guys up when I'm done. Alright, so I went ahead and finished the purchase. So I'm gonna just put okay in the box, because he's really not asking for nothing. So I'm gonna just put check and then start order. So now we got our first order complete. Now I'm gonna go back to how to Forex trade. I'm gonna search it up and I'm gonna order like 1 or 2 more gigs. So let me just look through these. So this one says I will give and teach you best Forex indicators. I don't really know what the indicators are, to be honest with you, but I might go ahead and buy that one. This one says I will teach you how to Forex trade like a pro hedge fund manager. That one's $20. This one's $20 as well. This one has 14 reviews on it though. Alright, so as I'm looking at these, right, I don't see too many with reviews on it. So that's telling me like not a lot of people are buying these. So I see a bunch of them though. Everybody's offering I will teach you how to Forex trade and everything like that, but none of these have reviews on it. So I'm gonna just scroll back up and let me actually sort it by best selling. Let me try that. That's sorted by best selling. So here's the ones with reviews on it. So I will create a Forex robot. Nah, I don't want no robot right now. I'm still new to the game. This one only has one review. This one is the one I looked at earlier. So yeah, these don't really have too many reviews. I did buy this one already. This one has 64 reviews on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and buy this one right here for $20. I will give and teach you best Forex indicators. Maybe I'll learn something with that. And I'm gonna go ahead and buy this one as well. This one has 5-star reviews, and this one's starting at $20 as well. Now in the future, I might do the robot thing. I don't really know what that is though. But in the future, I might go ahead and go with that one because as you can see, it has 264 5-star reviews. So obviously people are liking that one. So hey, that might be a future video. Let me know if you want to see that. If you actually into Forex, let me know what that is, like a Forex robot. I guess like the robot invests for you or something like that, but I'm not really sure because like I said, I'm a complete beginner when it comes to Forex. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy these 2 gigs and then I'm gonna hit you guys up when I'm done. Alright, so I went ahead and ordered the last 2 gigs. So this one I spent $22 on, and I'm gonna click on it so that you guys can see what it actually comes with it. So it says learn the basics of Forex, beginner strategies, 2 profitable indicators, and 30 minutes one-on-one. So I actually get a one-on-one session with this one. So we're gonna see how that goes. And then let me go to the last one. So this one I spent another $22 on, and this one it just says I'm gonna get some indicators. So like I said, I really don't know what the indicators are, but hopefully the other 2 gigs that I bought will teach me about indicators and how to actually use them. So I spent a total of $51 ordering these gigs. The first one was $7, the last 2 was $22 each. So that brings the total to $51. Now I better learn something after spending $51. I have to learn at least something that's gonna help me with Forex trading. And if I don't, we're gonna have a problem, man. We're gonna have a problem.
You talking all that smack about me? I'm here. I'm here. No. Always talking smack about me.
But now all we had to do is wait and see what they deliver, and then once they actually deliver it, I'm gonna review it and I'm gonna let you guys know what I think, what I learned, and everything like that. I'm actually excited for this one, but y'all stay tuned.
Bro, just go for it right now. Hurry up. Hold on, dude. Yeah. Oh my God.
The next day.
Alright, man, so I got some good news for y'all. All 3 of them delivered the order. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a look at them one by one, review them, and then I'm gonna let you guys know what I think. So let me head over to the first one right now.
One eternity later.
Alright, so I just got done with the first one. That one was $7. And I will say it did have a lot of information in it. Like I learned what Forex actually is. It's basically the exchanging of different foreign currencies for a profit. So if we take a look at an actual Forex graph for the euro versus the US dollar, the euro you believe will actually be going up, and the US dollar you feel like it would go down. So if you buy into this pair, you feel like the euro will increase in value over the US dollar. So let's say you bought in right here, for example, and then some time passed and you sold it right here, you will be making a profit. But the only thing about it is I couldn't really get jiggy with it.
What is this? Huh? This is whack! I can't get jiggy with this shit.
Man, cause I'm a visual learner, so the ebook was like 100 pages long, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I did not read that whole thing. I had skipped through certain parts, but it didn't have any visuals in it, and I'm a visual learner. I like to watch videos to learn certain topics, and I like to see images so I can see what I'm trying to learn, right? So for me, the ebook was good, it just didn't have any visuals, so I couldn't really like learn how I wanted to learn. But overall, I give it an 8 out of 10 because it did have like over 100 pages of information on Forex and everything about it. But let's move on to the next one, which was $22. Alright, man, so this one I actually got some videos. I was just talking about this, like I'm a visual learner and I'd rather see videos, and my boy came through in the clutch. He got me some videos this time. Yes, sir. But I'm gonna go ahead and watch them, and then I'm gonna hit you guys up when I'm done. Alright, so as you can see, I finished going through all of these videos. It was about 9 videos or so, and I must say I learned a pretty decent amount about Forex. So he went over like the basics, reading trend lines, strategy, fundamentals, indicators. I know what indicators are now, dynamics. He went over a pretty decent amount, man. So I'm actually satisfied with this one. I learned a pretty decent amount. Like I said, this one was $22. So I give it a 9 out of 10. You know, I give it a 9 out of 10, a solid 9 out of 10. I probably could have found this information on YouTube and everything like that, but being that I paid for it, I actually paid attention more. So you get what you pay for, and if you pay attention. So I actually give it a 9 out of 10. Like I said, I learned a pretty decent amount. But let me go over to the last one. So the last one, he actually sent me some messages. Now he sent me some indicators, and now that I know what indicators are, I actually got to be trading to use them. But I'm actually go to the messages real quick. Alright, so as you can see, I'm in the messages right here, and he sent me a bunch of messages, and he was like, the probability of success for this indicator is 90+%. Oh, and one more thing about the last one, right? Now that he mentions the win percentage is above 90%, the last dude was telling me that it's more about the risk to reward ratio rather than the win percentage. So let me know if that's true or not. I'm not sure if that's true, but he said it's more about the risk to reward ratio rather than the win percentage. But as you can see, he sent me a bunch of messages. But the only thing is, like I said, I had to be trading to use this. So I really can't get much use out of it if I'm not trading, but he did actually deliver it, and I'm not sure if they're good or not. That's that one. So I really can't give it a score. But overall, I'm satisfied, man. I learned a pretty decent amount about Forex. I got some notes right here. Took some notes on Forex. But yeah, man, if you guys want to see a video of me actually trying out Forex, let me know and I'll make a video trying it out for a week or so, and we're gonna see how much I make. But other than that, man, drop a like on the video, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Join BAC, and I'm out, bro. I'll see you guys in the next video.